Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Troy Bilt 5550 generator carburetor is probably one of the most critical components for your generator's performance. It's responsible for mixing air and fuel to power your generator. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Troy Bilt 5550 generator carburetor, exploring its function, maintenance tips, and troubleshooting techniques to keep your generator running smoothly. Number 5. Briggs & Stratton Carburetor Replacement Kit. Are you experiencing issues with your engine's performance? This carburetor replacement kit is designed to restore optimal function. It's a reliable solution for your engine needs. This kit is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including 796321, 696132, and many more. It ensures a perfect fit and easy installation for your convenience. The kit includes a durable metal body carburetor, along with gaskets and a choke assembly. This ensures the engine receives the correct air-fuel mixture. The carburetor's primary function is to mix air and gas before the fuel enters the engine. This process is crucial for efficient combustion and engine performance. With this kit, you can easily replace your old carburetor. It is designed to be a straightforward replacement, getting your equipment back up and running quickly. What we like. This carburetor features a durable metal body, ensuring longevity. It also comes with essential gaskets and a choke assembly for easy installation. If you are looking for a reliable replacement with all necessary components included, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy install and carburetor functions perfectly. Swap the choke plate with the old style and fit perfectly. Installed in less than 15 minutes, 2 pulls and running better than it has in years. Number 4. Carburetor for BS Troy Bilt Coleman Generator. This carburetor is designed to replace the original one. It fits various models of generators, ensuring optimal performance. With this replacement, your generator will run smoothly again. This carburetor is compatible with BS, Troy Bilt, Coleman, and PowerMate generators. It's specifically designed for 5500, 5000, 6000, 5550, 6250, and 6500 models. Make sure it fits your model. This carburetor replaces multiple part numbers, including 591378, 796321, and more. It also replaces air filter part numbers 491588S and 491435S. Check the list to ensure it matches your needs. The package includes the carburetor and its accessories. You'll also receive a foam filter, pre-filter, fuel shut-off valve, and a spark plug. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. Before purchasing, double-check your engine's model and part numbers. This will help you avoid any issues during the repair process. Ensuring compatibility is key to a successful replacement. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution, including a carburetor and various accessories like an air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug. The inclusion of an air filter is a great bonus. If you are looking for a complete kit to get your generator running smoothly, you should consider this one. What people say. Excellent repair kit and carb. Fit poor and my Briggs & Stratton generator works as it should. I purchased one before to fix surging engine on my generator and it worked superbly. As advertised. Got my 20-plus-year-old Coleman PowerMate 6250 generator running like new. Number 3. MOTOKU Carburetor for Craftsman 5600W Generator. Is your generator running rough? This carburetor is designed to improve its performance. It's a direct replacement that will get your generator running smoothly again. This MOTOKU carburetor fits a variety of generators. It's compatible with Craftsman, Briggs & Stratton, Coleman PowerMate, and Troy Bilt models with 10 HP Gentech OHV engines. Installing this carburetor is straightforward. The design makes it easy to replace your old one. You'll have your generator up and running in no time. Please note that this carburetor does not fit 11 HP engines. Make sure to check your engine specifications before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. Don't let a faulty carburetor keep your generator from working. Get this replacement carburetor and ensure you have reliable power when you need it most. Order yours now. What we like. This carburetor is designed to fit a wide range of generators, including Craftsman, Troy Bilt, and Coleman models. It is also compatible with various engine types. If you have multiple generators or are looking for a versatile option, you should consider this one. What people say. I installed this carburetor on my 5600 watt generator, fit perfectly, started on second try and runs smoothly. It's exactly like the original as far as fitment and gaskets etc. Functions perfectly. Number 2. Carburetor for Storm Responder 5500-8250 generator. This carburetor is designed for Storm Responder 5500 and 8250 generators. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your generator running smoothly. This carburetor replaces Nikki models 695114 and 695115. It's a direct fit, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance. It also replaces Troy Bilt 5500 generators with a 10 horsepower OHV engine. This part is built to meet or exceed OEM specifications. This carburetor is also compatible with the Troy Bilt 5550W generator. It's a perfect fit for your generator's engine model 204412-0147E1. This carburetor is also designed to replace the one in the Porter Cable 5250W BSI 525W electric generator. It's manufactured and tested to deliver optimum performance. All of our parts are specially designed to exact standards. Please feel confident to order from us, and feel free to contact us. What we like. This carburetor is specifically designed to replace Nikki carburetors in certain generator models. It is also compatible with Storm Responder and Troy Bilt generators. If you have a generator that uses a Nikki carburetor and are looking for a direct replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. Bolted right up, no adjustments needed. Fired on third pull. Install was almost plug and play for BNS 8 horsepower Intech engine for Troy Bilt horse tiller. After install the engine started up easy and ran well. Number 1. AISEN carburetor for Troy Bilt 5500 generator. This is a high-quality carburetor from AISEN, designed specifically for the Troy Bilt 5500 generator. It's built to replace the original part and restore your generator's performance. This carburetor is a perfect fit for the Troy Bilt 5500 generator with a 10 horsepower OHV engine, model 01919. It ensures optimal fuel delivery for smooth operation. The AISEN carburetor is designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly get your generator back up and running. You can replace the old one with this new one easily. If your generator is experiencing issues like poor starting or inconsistent running, this carburetor can help. It will restore the generator's original performance. Made with quality materials, this carburetor is built to last. It provides reliable performance and ensures your generator runs efficiently for a long time. What we like. This carburetor is specifically designed for the Troy Bilt 5500 generator with a 10 horsepower OHV engine. It is a direct fit, making installation straightforward. If you have this specific generator model and need a hassle-free replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. This carburetor was the exact replacement for my Troy Bilt model 01919. Got the old one off which had gunk in it and installed the new replacement. Fired it up on the first try and my generator is working again. The carburetor was a perfect fit and functions as it should. I followed the instructions which were super easy to follow, and I now have a working generator again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.